Hello, welcome to MTPMC Media. If you are new here on this channel, we do our best to give you a general tech tutorial videos. In today's video, we will be looking at how to share files between a PC and a smartphone using Xender. Before we get into the video, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you get updates on our next upload. Let's begin with the smartphone and make sure you have Xender installed. On your smartphone, locate and launch Xender. In the interface, locate the menu or drawer icon and open. Select from the below list, Connect PC. Now, you must activate the phone's hotspot and connect the PC to it or connect both to same network. In the third step in Connect to PC, there is an IP address of which we will need. From here, let's get into the PC. Launch any web browser of your choice, and in this case I'm using the Brave browser. In a new tab, type in the IP address from the phone, or if possible copy and paste and click enter. At this point a request will be sent from the PC to the phone, then you accept it from your phone. Now we are free to go. Let's start by transferring file from the PC to the phone. To do that, just drag a file from its destination from the PC onto the phone template you see on your PC screen, then drop it right there. Secondly, let transfer from the phone to the PC. With this we can do it in two ways. 1. Using the phone, and 2. Using the PC. With the PC, locate the file and beneath it there is an icon. Click to download. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on to be notified of new upload. But until then, seek for Jesus. Bye.